Hi guys, Merry Christmas.
Yes, everyone. Merry Christmas. Hope okay ang iyong Christmas.
And
What else?
we decorated our house. Does it look nice? They said it's nice.
Is that nice? O nice daw mong decoration. As per requested to Ardershan, we need to decorate our house. So, nag-decorate si Mom Shi og dali-dali, guys. As you can see, that is our decoration. A mini
And
decoration.
Papa just buy some wine. Wait a minute, I need to show it.
Oh, no.
Ah!
Ay, giguba na nimo tong video. And also, tara, ang mga gift. Ayan.
That's where the wine is.
That is the wine. Just said, that is the wine. Ambot sa ihaw. Ay, karon pa na.
I don't
Karon
know.
ra niya na na-realize nga in ana daw na wine. Actually, kada Christmas namin wine. Pero karon ra niya na-appreciate kay nakabuot naman siya. So, wala man siya buot. Ambot og nana ba ni buot. Charis. So, unsa may mengon sila ha? Merry Christmas everyone! Hope enjoy mo sa inyong Pasko. And i-greet sila nanay sa Davao na. Tara nga.
Hey, Nanay.
I-greet sila tanan na Merry Christmas sa inyo tanan. Sige. Message sila sa Davao. Okay. To my family in Davao. Ikaw daw.
To my family in Davao. Nanay, Merry Christmas.
Si nanay lang? How about silang tito?
Tito Toto, Merry Christmas.
Who else?
It's like
Lang tito? Kisa pa mga tito ni mo. Wala na kagila si mga tito.
Tita ba?
Tita?
Ilay.
Tita Milay.
Merry Christmas.
And who else?
Tito Toto.
Name all your tito, be.
Tito Toto, Merry Christmas. Tito Nonoy, Merry Christmas. Tito Joy, Merry Christmas. Tito Dodong, Merry Christmas.
And your cousin in Davao?
Ate Charlie, Merry Christmas.
And tita?
Tita Mami, Merry Christmas.
And adi tita? Tita Milay and?
Tita Mami.
Tita Maymay.
Tita Maymay. Og si Tita Mami.
And tita Mami. Merry Christmas sa my family in Davao City. Merry Christmas. Unta happy mo diha. Merry Christmas sa inyong tanan. And how about your family in Cagayan de Oro? Hotel.
I don't have a family.
Bad ka. Ano tatay bag?
I forgot him.
Okay, how about the family in
Kuya
Cagayan?
John Rich, Merry Christmas.
Si Kuya Jeprin.
Ingon ko, John Rich.
Sige, again. Again.
To my family in Cagayan, Kuya John Rich,